Nag-a-hire ka ng magaling, hindi para gamitin yung galing niya. Para pagilingin siya. Para payamanin siya. It's like, I want talented people in my space so that I can make you rich. Kasi without clarity, you will be poor. Just imagine the possibilities. Just imagine the possibilities. You have the heart to help people. Let's start with what? Let's start with you. From you, understanding your real value as a person. It's like, I know my value, I know myself that I can move forward regardless of the struggles. I know myself that I can be kind regardless if I'm facing challenges. Alam ko sa sarili ko na kahit bigat na bigat ako, I can show up for other people. You know that You know your value Now here's the catch. Now, imagine you have the heart to help your team. You are hiring talents, or maybe you are the talent. You are hiring skills and talent because you don't just want to use the talent. No. Gusto mong mag-grow sila sa space mo. Do you get my point? Can you imagine you are an employer? Nag-a-hire ka ng magaling, hindi para gamitin yung galing niya. Para pagilingin siya. Para payamanin siya. It's like, I want talented people in my space so that I can make you rich. Kasi without clarity, you will be poor. Let us serve people. Let's serve people together. Are you with me? Imagine that So ikaw, nagbibuild ka ng team, gusto mo yung team mo yumaman. It's okay, thank you. Gusto mo yung team mo yumaman din. Gusto mo yung team mo maging successful din. Yeah? Who among your entrepreneurs? Gusto mo yumaman yung team mo, yeah? Of course. Imagine mo, ang sarap ng ganun. Pag nag-usap kayo, magkano sinweldo mo? Pag ikaw yung empleyado, ikaw yung boss, sabihin sa'yo na empleyado mo, boss, dami ko pang pera. Pasweldo ka ng pasweldo, nakaka-stress. Boss, gawin mo ng quarterly yung sweldo para ipon. Dami ko pang pera, hindi ko kailangan ng pera. Yabang mo. Right? Saya ng ganun, right? Can you imagine? Yung team mo, hindi na humihingi ng cash advance. No? Kasi dami na ng pera Yun ang masarap. Yun yung real flex. Hindi na flex ngayon yung kotse. Akala nyo ang flex ngayon yung kotse. Hindi, ang flex ngayon, yung team mo, lahat may pera. Napapakain nila pamilya nila. That's the flex. Next, imagine having the heart to serve your customers or people. Just imagine, kung ang gusto mo mag-serve sa mga tao, ano nasa isip mo lagi? Improve yung brand mo, improve yung product mo. Wala kang ibang nasa isip. It's not about making money. It's not about making money anymore. It's about just serving people. Nasa isip mo, how can you really help? How can you really transform people's lives? Like small things. Small things. Right? Like in our case, we didn't earn money from this. Think about it, guys. We are not earning money from Power Talks. But we're so happy. We are fulfilled. Imagine, William Jones, 388 pounds before. Now losing 140 pounds. Muntik na hindi pumunti. Gusto niya, parinig ko sa inyo. Hindi, wag na. No, nagpapaalam yung asawa, Sir MJ, can I keep my husband? He's just so sexy. Nag-message sa akin, asawa niya. Sir MJ, can William Jones not attend today? Because he's just so sexy. I don't want him to leave the house. I want to keep him by myself. It's like, Ma'am Rowena, calm down. He is yours. Right? Imagine the transformation. Isaiah is in a three-piece suit. Oh, shit! Transformation, right? Vina, nagkikreate ng content. CMS, nagkikreate ng content. Jan and Jenna, naka-jeep. Wrangler. So bottom line, dito pa lang sa Power Talks, may transformation tayo So for me, this is not about the money. This is just serving people. Are you with me? But can you imagine that? Kung may produkto ka, lagi mo inisip, paano ako mag-improve, paano ako mag-improve as a boss, as an entrepreneur, as a leader, so that I can help other people as well. Just imagine the possibilities it can happen. Dadami pera, hindi. Dadami. We're talking about big money here, not small money. We're talking about big money. Because you are thinking big. Thinking big doesn't mean mayaman lang. Thinking big means, for me, thinking big means mayaman ka, nakakatulong ka. Because that's harder to do. And not everyone is willing to do that now. Now's our chance. Now's our chance. Even real estate. You know, yung nagsuserve ka, alam mong nakatira sila sa bahay ng masaya. Diba? Si me. Imagine, si me. 1 year ago, nag-talk ako sa inyo, McDo. Umiiyak pa siya. Gusto niya ng kotse. After 1 year, malaki na yung team niya, okay na okay siya ngayon, tapos may kotse pa. Tapos bibili pa ulit. No? Bibili siya mas malaki. Gusto ko pala mas malaki. Right? Velos, Kathy. Si Rosel, multiple earners. Look, can I share the story? Yeah? Can I share your story? Imagine, si Rosel, sobrang baba ng self-worth, hindi niya alam i-celebrate yung birthday niya. It's like you don't even know what birthday means. So ano ginawa namin? During lead, nag-birthday siya doon. After that, ngayon, kotse, multiple awards. Joseph, graduate ng lead. Joseph, can you stand pare? Joseph lost almost his whole team, ha? Yung team niya top sa real estate. Wala yung buong team. Hindi lang basta nawala, ha? Binanatan pa sila. Directly, pinapabarangay sila, inistra sila. Nanira pa sa buong industriya. Sinisiraan pa sila. Gumagawa pa ng fake accounts. Na-imagine nyo yun, gano'ng kabigat? Right? Tapos, nagkasakit pa anak. Emergency anak. Pero ngayon, siya yung nawalan ng team, pero imagine ngayon, yung team niyang natira, lahat top. Congrats. That's transformation, guys. That's real transformation. Yun yung may nagbabago talaga. Yun yung masarap sa feeling. Yun yung masaya. That's what we do here. Are you with me still?